Dear students, today I will be showing an end-to-end demo of the reading tool in Teams. It is a new tool to improve the reading literacy of our students. This can be viewed under the assignment tab and under the post tab also. Once the assignment is put by the teacher, I'm going and clicking in the view assignment under the post tab. Here you can see the subject for which the reading assignment is put, the date, instruction, etc. Now I'm going to click on my work. So you can see the article name and then the start button. Down we can see the number of try that one student can do. So before we start, there are few instructions that we'll have to keep in mind. The first being that the student will have to check the limit number of time the student can redo the passage. If not satisfied, the child can do it again. Once we click on the blue color button, the countdown will begin. So for first time users, you will get a pop-up asking you to allow access to microphone and audio to the device. So do click on allow to proceed. Also intentionally, I will be reading out incorrect words and sentences. I will be omitting few words and sentences for you to see how this is going to work. How artificial intelligence is transforming the world. Most people are not very the economy and the governance. So I've read it. Click on stop. So once I have read, if the child is not as satisfied, he can try again. In this case, I'm going to use this recording. Also, if you want to go and listen to your recording again, just you can do that. How artificial intelligence is transforming. I'm just going to submit this. And I'm going to click on hand in option. This is the final tab which you will have to click. Until and unless you do not click the hand in option, it will not reach the teacher. So finally the submission is over from the child's part. Now let's see how the teacher's dashboard looks like. I'm going to review the student's work. Now we are in the teacher review experience. You can see the passages here marked with different highlighted colors. The words per minute which were correct, the accuracy rate, the number of attempts, the level, the total number of words, etc. Because of the new AI feature available, the teacher can also see the number of mispronunciation, number of omission, insertion, repetition, and self-correction done by the child. Say for example, let's see the first word which is highlighted in blue, transforming. It says that it has been a repetition. The teacher can go and play back the audio and verify if it is correct or not. How artificial intelligence is transforming the world. So here you would have heard that the word transforming has been repeated twice by the child. Similarly, the teacher can also check whether all the highlighted words are correct or wrong. The cases where the teacher feels that the student is correct, she can mark them as correct also. This will help the teacher to customize feedback for each student. The teacher can also unlock insights and track progress of each student. Teacher can see the trends and data around matrices like the average accuracy rate, the average words per minute, and the challenging words. If I go and put the cursor here, it says that the child had pronounced robotics twice incorrectly, which means it was the most challenging word for the child. Students can use this tool to increase the fluency for English language, build confidence, especially for our emerging readers. Thank you so much. Handing over to the teacher now.